Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming back to share the last three projects that I made with the DIY Art Bin products. And let's jump right in. So there goes the little dancing girl, and I made her really simple. And so made her red, black, and white. I put a stamp on there, let your dreams take flight. You know, dancing girls, they're always jumping in the air. So that's what I thought about. This die here is a DIY art band die too, and it's like the flooring. So, and I just used an embossing folder that I pop behind her. I put a little diamond dot on her dress, and I thought she turned out very cute. All right, so that's the first one. And here goes the second one, which I am using this cute little zebra, and it just reminded me of a baby card, and so that's what I made. And here we go. And so I just added baby going down the side, and I kind of offset it off to the side, pop down a bow and some ribbon. Well, it's paper, but you know, to make it look like ribbon. Added some sequins. I did use a little bit of Copics to go around the outside of his. I went around the outside of him, and then I also chalked up his cheeks as well. And there goes the inside of that card. And then the last one I am using is this lamb. I did take this one apart because I had to get to some items because that was in the inside of there. But anyways, so on this lamb, I am using this little flower here as well as this bow here. And like I said before, there's several different ways that you can put this together, and I showed that in my my product reveal video. And I made this one into a baby card as well. And so what I did is I cut that flower out several different times. I added that little heart in the center of that bow there, and I made it like a celebration of baby card. So I really like how it turned out. Added some balloons, my little banner strip at the top, and did finish out the inside of that card. All right, so those are the cards I created this time. Down below, you will see all of the links to all of the products that I used for this go around, and as well as the link to the DIY Art Bin store, so you can go over and start shopping. Well, that's all I have for you. You all have a blessed and crafty day.